Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to replace a anode rod for your really old water heaters. Now all water heaters have this anode rod. You need to use a electric impact wrench with a 1 and 1/16 socket to take off this anode rod. This one is super old, 20 years plus old, and look at that rust in there. It is so rusted. It's all gone. So this is, if I rinse this stuff off, all that rust dust, basically all you have is just the top. So that's the top of the anode rod, and that's the original, a new anode rod that's made of magnesium. So that will basically corrode as in like 4 years or less. So that depends on how hard your water is. Anyways, I'm gonna snake this guy through, and the reason why you get a folding anode rod is because of all the pipes and stuff. It's hard to actually get it through. I'm gonna go ahead and knock all that rust, or get as much rust out as I can, but I'm going to drain the whole system anyway, so it really doesn't matter. I'm flushing the entire tank, then refilling it, then flushing it again, just to get all the rust or any other dirt out of this water heater. Anyways, as you can see, a flexible anode rod is actually very useful. You can also get an electric one, which is much shorter, and plenty of Teflon tape. Put a lot of Teflon tape there, and then basically hand tighten it in. Don't force it. Then as soon as you get as far as you can go ahead and use that same socket wrench and I'm using a tire iron to basically turn it and tighten it up and torque it. So that's really about it. Anyways, after this, I'm flushing everything out, filling it back up, flushing it again just to make sure, and I use the water to water the garden, and that's about it. That's how you do it. Anode rod, easy stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.